It's the recipe that you need to make rice water and lime for weight loss. So you need half a cup of unwashed rice water, and then a cup of hot or warm water and lime juice, that is juice from the lemon. Then what you need to do is to insert the half cup of rice into the 1 cup of water and then wait for it for 30 minutes. After that, you see to remain with the rice water. Then you add your lemon juice on it. So you should take it 30 minutes before lunch or before dinner, and it is recommended that you take it once or twice in a day. So you can take it in the morning or in the evening before taking dinner or lunch, so that it will make you feel full, and it will also help you in digestion. So if you want a better option of rice water and lime, you can try slimming tea, which is in the link in the description. And also, if you are getting some effect because of the lime juice, so also me, I had some issues with lime juice because I had some stomach problem when I took lime. So I opted for slimming tea and also coffee, which has really helped me, and it tastes good, and it has really helped me in digestion, especially in improving metabolism. So if you want to try those other methods, you can check out the link in the description for more, and you'll be able to lose weight in a more faster manner, so long as you follow the right diet. I also have a right diet plan in the description that I've been following, and you can access them for just $1. So you can use this to accelerate your weight loss journey, but don't use it forever. Just use it sometimes, yes, so that it cannot affect you.